Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to view auto-generated site drawings. Auto-generated site drawings are as per traditional Indian format. Site drawings have key plans at footing level and at all floor levels, and schedules of slabs, beams, columns, footings and shear walls. Open downloaded DXF file. Here we have key plan at level 0. Key plan at level 1500. Key plan at level 4500. Key plan at level 7500. Key plan at level 10500. Key plan at level 13500. Key plan at level 16500. Here we have schedule of footings at level 0. Schedule of columns at level 16500. Schedule of beams at level 1500. Schedule of slabs at level 4500. Typical slab reinforcement details. Typical beam reinforcement details as per IS 456. Typical beam reinforcement details as per IS 13920. Typical column reinforcement details as per IS 13920. Typical footing reinforcement details. Typical staircase reinforcement details. Akses RCBD, your most reliable design assistant. Easy to use, interactive and simple. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.